Oh, jeez. Well, that ain't gonna work. Gotta run up to the hardware store, a couple other errands real quick to get back, and I don't want to smell like Sasquatch walking through stores, standing in line. I don't want to be that guy you have to turn around in line because you smell me coming up. This ain't gonna work. This is melted. What do you guys do when you're working all day outside and you gotta stop at the grocery store on your way home, or you gotta stop somewhere else, or worse off, what if you gotta go to your kid's school, meet with a teacher, you got somewhere else you gotta be, and you're trying to be a little bit civil? That ain't gonna work. Let's do an experiment. Let's see if there is anything that will stand up to the heat. Let's grab a couple different options and test them and find out. Let's see what happens. Alright, so here we are. About 7:40, 60% humidity, 88 degrees outside, about sunset. Pardon the fan, the noise in the background, that's the fan, because again, it's sunset, it's still 88 degrees. Here's all of the samples that I grabbed, all of our suspects. I only grabbed one gel. Just curious to see what that would do, but for the most part I grabbed just the regular sticks because I figured the gel would pretty much guaranteed to melt, so no sense in just buying a bunch of mess. I wanted to see if these actually held up, so I got a variety. Yes, the lady at the checkout counter did give me kind of a funny look, but you know, it's all for fun and to watch, see what happens. So, alright, we're going to get all this set up in the car. I'm kind of curious to see what kind of temperatures we'll get, what kind of an oven the car will become, if the thermometer will even hold up to those temperatures, and if my camera will even hold up to those temperatures. I'm going to use a little Wise Cam. It's got a great little time-lapse feature on it, and we'll see what we get. Alright guys, we are back. It is a little before 6. I was trying to get this done about 5, a few moments after 5, to show, if you left your deodorant in the car, and for you 9 to 5ers, if you're getting out of work and heading somewhere, what kind of condition it may be in. It is, like I said, closer to 6, but it is still plenty bright, plenty hot, and let's see what we got in here. Variety of results. It is hot. It definitely smells good in here, though. The deodorizing effect of the deodorant worked pretty well. We are currently at 122 degrees. my camera survived, my thermometer survived, so I'm pretty happy with all of that. And even though we did wait an extra hour, I don't think that affected the temperature one bit. Let's see, the gel, I don't really see any spillage from the gel. I expected this. Oh, it dried up. That's why it came out and it turned crusty. It looks like there's crystals up top. I can't turn all the knobs with one hand. This crusted up. Looks like it solidified and then it kind of protected itself. At the moment, you could use this. I'm actually kind of surprised. The condition, it did pretty well. I would say it's usable right now. This one definitely didn't do so well. There are stains down at the bottom. Not sure what kind of oils may have been in it. They definitely did not stay in it. This one does not look. Yeah, that is a mess. Can't use that at all. You would make a mess of whatever you are wearing if you tried to use that. Although it's drying pretty quick in my hands. Let's see. Axe still standing up above, still standing kind of tall. It's better. Definitely don't think I would use that either, but it's in the right direction. Oh, nope, we're leaking some kind of fragrance or oils or... Oh, that smells strong. Yeah, I think all the fragrance came out of it. So even if it's solidified, it might not be as well off using it. Let's see if Dove, did you react any better? Nope, still kind of squishy. That's actually really warm to touch too. The Dove is warm. Let's try over here. Old Spice Fiji, another gel clear. This one's fine. You could use this. That's not much of a problem. No mess at the bottom. I think I might throw one of these in my car. All right, now for the ladies. For those of you who want to feel like a lady. Let's see. This is, yep, it's soft, melted. And our last one. Probably, yep, soft, melted. All right. So surprisingly, the gels actually held up better. I expected them to fail and make a big mess. This one sealed itself up. The gels at the end here crystallized or solidified in each of the little holes. So as long as you kept it the bottom untwisted, once you went to use it, it would be fine. And then this one didn't seem to be affected much at all. So there we have it. With the door open, we have now cooled all the way down to 117 degrees. So I'm gonna get out of here. This is warmer than I'd like to hang out. And, all right, that wraps up this test on Florid Proof. Hope you enjoyed it. Maybe you learned something from it. If you liked it, click that like button down below. Subscribe, share. If you got any comments, feel free to let us know. And we'll see you next time on Florid Proof.